do you want to change Word to light mode? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Select light mode or white mode in Microsoft Word. If dark mode is enabled, then Microsoft Word will appear dark. So, disable the dark mode following the steps given below. Open Microsoft Word and click on the File tab. Select More, then Options. Go to the General tab under Word Options. Scroll down to find Office theme under Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. From the drop-down menu, choose White. Save your changes by clicking on the OK button. Method 2. Enable light mode from Account section. Besides options, you can also enable white mode in Word from the Account section. Here is what you need to do. Go to the File tab, then select More. Select Account. On the right pane, in the Office Theme section, click the drop-down menu and choose White. This should disable dark mode and activate light mode. Method 3. Disable high contrast theme. Some users like to use high contrast themes for their PCs. This makes the entire theme of the display to be dark. As a result, Word appears to be dark. So, disable the high contrast theme here is what you need to do. Right-click on your desktop, choose Personalize option. Choose a light theme from the options. Method 4. Change page color to no color. Open Word and click on the Design tab. Expand the drop-down menu for page color. Select no color from the given options and check if the problem is solved and Word appears white again. If not, then go to the next solution. Method 5. Set page color to white while keeping Word in dark mode. To make Word use white as the default page color even when you are in dark mode, go to Word Options. Select General. On the right pane, scroll down to the Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office section. Here, next to the Office theme drop-down menu, enable the Never Change the Document Page Color option. Click OK. In Word, open an existing document or create a new one and you will find that it uses white as the page color. And there you have it, the methods to want to change Word to light mode. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.